Hey y'all, this is DJ the Diva with another video. Today we are cooking Dame Gay chili, and I want to give you guys the recipe quick and easy. First, I got all my ingredients from Walmart. Instead of using beef, I'm trying to, my grandson had a heart transplant, so everything I'm doing is heart healthy. I got the leanest ground turkey, 93% lean, 7% fat. I could have chosen the 85%, but I'm trying to go with the leanest. Kidney beans, big can of kidney beans. And I try to put more vegetables in there than anything, sneak them in there. Stewed tomatoes is my secret recipe for my chili. That adds that sweetness. I chopped up and a roughly chopped up onion and added that to the meat when I was cooking it. And it's lower in fat, so you have to add a little bit of oil to the pan, even a non-stick pan. Heart healthy canola oil. Just coat the pan. That's it. Just coat it. You don't have to, put a lot in there. Diced tomatoes. Hunt's pasta, roasted garlic and onion. See that? I didn't have no green pepper, which is very unusual in my house. So what I did is I got the chunky salsa. And as you can see, if you can still see some of the green pepper, onion, garlic, and whatnot in there. 2 packets of the chili seasoning mix. Prego, Italian sausage, and garlic. And that seasoning pack is the only seasoning I added to that. And I have some shredded carrots in there. You can't see it, you can't really taste it, but it makes it sweeter, like a sweet and spicy. And if you cook your ground turkey right, you really won't have anything stick to your pan, but you don't use a lot of oil. Okay, I started, I cook my meals ahead of time for the weekend. But I make it a bar. So there will be a container of cheddar cheese, light sour cream, some chives, some extra onions, and we'll have a side salad. But it took me 20 minutes because the longest time for preparation is the browning the ground turkey. Everything else you just throw in the pot and let it kind of simmer like so. See that? Full of vegetables, kidney beans. See that? Heart healthy. Making foods that you like, that you normally eat, but tweaking it a bit. Instead of the ground beef, ground turkey, lean ground turkey. The stewed tomatoes, the diced tomatoes, the chunky salsa. Those are all vegetables, honey. All vegetables. And to top it off, we're going to have a side salad with it. So super good, super hearty, especially for a cold day, and super heart healthy. And this is DJ the Diva coming at you with a video for Game Day Chili. I love you guys to life. Please click that like and subscribe button, and please consider pushing that notification button so every time I upload a video, you will be notified. Ding dong! DJ the Diva has uploaded a video. I love you guys to life. Act blessed, talk blessed, walk blessed, and be a blessing to who? Be a blessing to the Lord by blessing somebody else. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.